Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the mathematics in scientific notation. Okay, let's start it. Scientific notation, we also call standard form, is a special way of writing numbers. The first example, we say 700 is a number. And also we can write in scientific notation. So 7 times 10 squared. And also you can see the second examples. How does it work? Okay, so let's change the number. We use the same example, 700. How do we write 7 times 10 squared? 700 is 7 times 100. First, we need to separate them, the number and the 100 or 10 or 10,000. And then 100 is 10 squared. So you can see from the powers of 10. 700 equals 7 times 10 squared. Power of 10, if you can't remember, let's refresh again. 100 is a 10 squared. Why? We move the points from the end of 100 all the way up 2 times. So move 1 time, 2 times. And then they're becoming 10 index is 2. There's another example you can see it. 4,900,000. How do we do this? We can say 1 million is 10 power 9th. 4,900,000. Total we have 8 zeros. And plus 4.9 means 4.9. So we have total 10 zeros. The final result of this is 4.9 times to 10 index 9. We can also put another example, 56 million, 11 zeros in total. You can see the results. Okay, let's do the exercises. So write this in scientific notation. There's another example, say 10 times to 10 square root. If I want to rewrite this, first thing I need to do is 100 square root becoming square root 10 square, and they becoming 10. So we turn around 10 becoming square root 10 square, 100 square root. So the result of 10 times to square root 10, 100 square root times to 10 square root, 1000 square root. Turn around, we can simplify from scientific notation. Okay, let's do some example. Example 1, we want to simplify square root 100. Square root 100 is equal to 10 square. And then square and square root, they can remove. The final result should be 10. The next example is simplify square root 18. If we don't have a calculator, you're going to simplify as much as you can. 18 square root, we can separate them in multiply 2 times 9. However, this 9 is 3 square. Square and square root can be removed, so we can bring 3 out from the square root. So final result is 3 square root 2. Okay, next example. Simplify two numbers, 2 square root 12 plus 9 square root 3. We check the first part first. 2 square root 12. 12 is 3 times 4. 4 is 2 square. Square and square root, they can remove that. We can bring 2 out. So 2 times 2, square root 3, is becoming 4 square root 3. And then after that, we put them together. This results plus 9 square root 3 is becoming 9 plus 4 and then square root 3. So the final result should be 13 square root 3. Thank you.